On the handheld, open the Stok app. The Stok app will check for any updates as it opens. Now I enter my PIN number, and everything that happens on this app will now be tracked against my user ID. This is the home screen of the app. You'll see we've got goods in, goods receipts, stock takes, goods out notes, the packing and dispatching of items, picks, so the picking of items. We also handle returns via goods receipts on the Stok app, and the moving of stock. Now in the top right corner, there's a circle made up of two arrows. If I click on that, then we'll sync with the back office and download any new goods receipts, stock takes, picks, goods out notes, etc. If I wanted to move stock between locations, from the home screen, all I need to do is scan the barcode of an item. It'll bring up the item with its name, its SKU, any associated tags. In this case, we can see item tags include sports, zone A, explosive. We can see the on-hand inventory, on order, any stock that's been quarantined, and we can see the associated storage locations. Now, if I want to add a new storage location, perhaps I want to put the item into a new location. I'm just going to click on stored in, and now I'm going to click on add new storage location. Now I could type in the reference, or I could scan it in. Click the arrow icon, and now we have added in the new storage location for that item. I'll cancel out of that. Now if we click into settings, the first setting, change location, that is where we select the physical location where we will be using the app. In this case, sent to the central warehouse. Change packing station. So when I'm working on a pack station, I select which pack station that the app will be connected to. And when I'm doing picks, I will also select the pack station that I'm going to take my picks to. This means that you can filter essentially between the different picks of different pack stations. Synchronization. This is a full sync. So if I want to do a full sync, I can click these two little arrows down here. And that's a full sync with the back office, with all the associated success and error messages. If I want to connect to printers, both courier label printers or A4 printers, I'll click onto the printers icon, and Stok.ly will automatically look for any printers on the same network. It's really important that your printers are connected to the same network via either Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, and that's the same network that your app is connected to by Wi-Fi. Swipe to remove confirmation. There are certain functions within the app where you can remove items and what have you. If you've got that toggled on, it will just ask for confirmation before you remove an item. Barcode scanning settings. You can leave it to prioritize unit of measure. That's the units of measure we set up at the items. So the same item could be purchased in, say, single units, boxes of 10 or pallets of 100. And the app will look through all the units of measure and the different barcodes associated with the product when you're scanning in items. goods out note display. Now, you might process 500 sales orders in a day. When you process those sales orders, Stokly creates goods out notes against each sales order for each courier service that you're using. So one sales order may have one goods out note, or it may have a couple of goods out notes if items in that sales order are going by different courier services. So it might mean that there are a lot of goods out notes created. If we toggle this on in the goods out notes section here, we will only show the goods out notes where the associated items have been picked and those picks are completed. So we're not going to show you all the goods out notes for the items that haven't been picked, only the ones that have been picked. And it just makes the user experience a lot easier. And the final one is goods out note tote reference. If you want to use tote picking, and by that we mean I've got a tote reference, could be a barcode or alphanumeric number string on my trolley or a basket. And before I start a pick, I'm going to add in that number. I could scan in the barcode. And then when I come to pack, before I start a pack, when I pick a trolley or a basket, I'm just going to scan the barcode or add that reference number in. And then Stok.ly is going to know what goods out notes and the associated items that are on that trolley, so that I can pack and clean down that trolley before starting the next one. So that is an introduction to the Stok app, synchronization, and settings.